Dav's very harsh, isn't he? This is okay.
Well, I guess we have to give it the benefit of the doubt.
It is the right video, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Tommy Ravioli. Right. What was that effect when the cat appeared?
It's very strange.
Oh my god.
I need to drink. It's vibrating a lot in the background.
Have you not got a drink? Did you not come in with a drink?
I meant something stronger than...
Oh. A brewish gin lead. This video goes on.
I mean, it's not... A lot of work's gone into this. I mean, it's...
I'm just looking at the chat. It's just spam flying past. They want you to get drunk.
Christmas time. It's a Sparkle's old song. So he's gone through and painstakingly auto-tuned it. I mean, thank you. I can see why he said it was okay now.
And then it's got a weird bit at the end.
Yeah, that sort of cat going grumpy. Oh my god, we got old...
Okay.